What's up guys, it's beautiful day today, so I think I'm going to install my new dash cam today. It's a little bit tricky with Opel because of these window wipers. I also have Hardwire kit, so I have to do that. Yeah, but let's do some unboxing first. This is what I mean why it's a little bit tricky to install, because these window wipers, I put some painter's tape which show this line where this window wiper is cleaning. They recommend to install this electrostatic film to the window first and then this camera here, like so. This is where I'm sitting when I'm driving. It won't block my view at all. So that's a good sign. Now I have to find out this cable, how I will do that. 7mm socket. Camera is now on the window. Now I have to run the cables for it. Of course, it's with USB-C, and I have Hardwire kit. This is with USB-C, and there's also, which will change this 12 volts to 5 volts. I have to find a fuse where I can connect this one. In this model, fuse box is behind here. And this is just with clips. It's 2 clips in this side, and this is just turning. You can pull it out. I need to find a fuse which is on only when the car is on. Here's some empty spaces. Sadly, these empty spaces, there's nothing. You can't even connect fuse. I don't want to connect this to anywhere near something like computer or ABS system or lights or something like that. This one here, I think that's fuse number 29. Okay, I will measure this fuse, that is it only on when there is power. At the moment I don't have a key on those, so there should not be anything like it is. This other one, there is power, but there's not. I will now turn the ignition on. Let's try to measure it now. There should be 12 volts like it is. Good. So I'm going to use this one for the camera. Okay, I now took this fuse away. I measured these connectors, and this lower one is the hot one. Without any fuse, this lower one has 12 volts when I will turn the ignition on. This hot connector should come here, and then it's going through the fuse to the camera. And to this other one is coming this original fuse, and this hot one will take the voltage back to this cigarette lighter. And that's how it should work. Here I can see the airbag. The airbag will stop here about. power cable is now here with this fuse, and this fuse is also for the cigarette lighter, and the cable is going down here. It's hiding here, then it's going, I was using the original cables to attach this cable here, and basically this ground cable is here. That's also something for original ground, and then the USB cable is going up there. You can't of course see it, and behind this plastic and to the camera. Moment of truth. And it's recording automatically. It will also shut off when I will take ignition off. That's just how I like it. I did now just a small daylight test drive with this camera. A few things I noticed. First of all, it's very wide, 150 degrees. That's crazy wide, maybe not a bad feature for a dash cam. The second thing, for under 200 francs, including rear view camera full HD, which I, by the way, didn't install yet, I think the picture quality is pretty good for the price. In this time I didn't drive very fast, maybe 80 kilometers per hour maximum, but I can clearly see a license plate when cars are coming by. Maybe later in the future I will do some more test driving when it's dark. Maybe even I will compare this to my old Garmin dashcam. That was just a small installation video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.